So this is my personal profile. It displays the content that I choose to display. And this includes a cover photo, which is a very long rectangular image. And it also includes this circular image, which is the profile photo, which actually follows me wherever I go on Facebook. Meaning people who click into my personal profile can see my cover photo, and they can also see my profile photo. But when I comment in other people's spaces all over Facebook, this profile photo follows me. So everyone will see you in this way when you comment in their groups, in their posts, etc. And you can change that very easily by just clicking the little camera icon and then just choosing to upload a photo. You can additionally actually upload a photo into your personal profile, even if you're private, and you can just make individual photos appear publicly.